Hello, if you look carefully here 60 and 10, like the lines are touching each other, and they are like a straight line here. And if you move the knob here clockwise, then you can see it's progressing towards. That means the slide you have, it's progressing towards this side. Okay, if you have a slide here, if you want to observe something from here to here, then you can move to clockwise. Then it will move your slide from here to here. So clockwise means it will move from right to left, and if you do anti-clockwise, the slide observation slide will be moving from left to right. And if you want to photograph it, so you have to have this knowledge with yourself. Thank you.